This morning we witnessed the launch of the National Polio Eradication Campaign, showing the commitment that Botswana government has towards ensuring that every child in this country is protected. It gives us hope that we saw government coming together with community leaders, caregivers and different stakeholders, all of them gathering around ensuring that caregivers are aware of the importance of this. So as UNICEF would continue to support Botswana government, already we have facilitated the procurement of vaccines, ensuring that the quality of the vaccines that will be given to children are of acceptable standards. Not only did we facilitate the procurement, but we are also ensuring that the storage and the cold chain supply of these vaccines is of the quality that is acceptable. In addition to that, we will be working closely with our partner Botswana Red Cross to ensure that we engage with different communities across the country because we understand the value of caregivers knowing the importance of the polio vaccine. So what we're doing, we are going to be doing house-to-house campaign or engagement with caregivers to teach parents, to prepare them so that they understand as the health workers visit their households on the value of the polio vaccine.